And here is your super secret bonus exercise 16b, where we solve another trig equation having to use a sum to product formula, or in this case a difference to product formula, which will allow us to factor the left-hand side. So they're both sines. We have a difference, so this one it'll have the cosine first. So the sine of 4x minus the sine of 2x factors as 2 cosine of the sum of them divided by 2, so 4x plus 2x divided by 2, times the sine of difference of them divided by 2, 4x minus 2x over 2, still equal to 0. Simplify, 2 cosine 4x plus 2x is 6x divided by 2 is 3x, times the sine of 4x minus 2x is 2x divided by 2 is x, equals 0. We're going to set both of these products equal to 0, but after we divide both sides by 2 to get rid of it. So cosine of 3x equals 0, and the sine of x equals 0. So on this left side here, let's think of this as the cosine of k equals 0. And on the unit circle, where is cosine equal to 0? It's equal to 0 at pi over 2, down here at 3 pi over 2, back up, back around. It has a, it's just a multiple of pi over 2. Yeah, so k equals pi over 2. How about n pi over 2? There we go. But we don't want k, we want 3x. So 3x equals to n pi over 2. Divide both sides by 3, and we get x equals n pi over 6. Multiples of pi 6. Right side, the unit circle, where sine equals 0, it's at 0, at pi, at 2 pi, at 3 pi, at multiples of pi. However, would you agree that if we're taking multiples of pi over 6, the 0 multiple is at 0, and then first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and that takes care of all of those answers, so they are redundant. Let's see if we can get through the next exercise in the same video. So we're verifying an identity. You start on one side, the more complicated side. In this case, that would be the left side. Transform it to the right side. So we have a sum of sines on the top, sum of cosines on the bottom. So that would be equal to, if I'm just going to take this left side, 2 sine of the sum of them divided by 2, 6x plus 4x over 2 times the cosine of the difference of them, 6x minus 4x over 2. The bottom, we'll have 2, and cosines, they stay the same. Cosine of 6x plus 4x over 2 times the cosine of the difference, 6x minus 4x over 2. Watch what happens. Not only do the 2's cancel, but so does all this cosine business. It doesn't even matter if we simplify those or not, because they're both the same. This leaves us with the sine of 6x plus 4x is 10x divided by 2 is 5x over, same thing with the cosine, cosine of 5x. And sine over cosine is equal to tangent of 5x. And that means we're done. The end, except for your assignment. Get busy on it because you got a lot to do. Make sure you get enough practice with all the formulas so that you fulfill all these objectives.